Morning, everybody, from over the world, over the internet. I'm very glad to present you a new tool with which my name's LensGuard. Are you facing some issue with your customer that complain about some downtime on your website? Your customer or your partners are sometimes complaining about some downtime on your web services or API. Are you some delay or some big response time on your API and you don't know when that things appear? The response to these issues, the response to those issues you are facing is Lens Guard. This amazing new apps that help you to improve your customer satisfaction. That amazing application, that new amazing application that help you to improve your partner satisfaction regarding the links or API that you give them to uh, use your services. How this LensGuard is working. These links are working through a periodical test that have been performed over your links or web service or API. And this was testing has been all times refreshed over your main screen that can appear here. So how those links has been configured in that app? It has been configured through this administrator panel. So I can have access to this first panel that can permit me to configure first apps to monitor. So I can add the links, the name of the port, because sometimes you can decide to configure your application that have to be accessible through the non-default ports. It can be 81 or 82 or by default 80. Or it is a HTTPS or through HTTPS protocol that your links is accessible. You can specify the default port or you can change it. So you can also use a proxy if your company needs a proxy before going through the internet or going through the outside your network. You can use proxy, and you can test the apps before I apply in order to add this link to the applications. So let me just we will do a real-time test. I will try to say, okay, let's say I want to monitor what can I use? Let's say Google BRP, new string, new, let's see, Airbnb. Yeah, Airbnb. Yeah. Let's say we try to find the Airbnb internet website. So I will take this one. Okay, I take this one, and I'm going to the website, and I'm saying that I want to have this website in the application. Okay, so I say Airbnb. Okay, right. So this is a row of the HTTPS protocol, so I have to check it. Okay, and I can check if the links is available over the app. So I have to check it. Okay, I'm getting 200. Okay, so the application or the website is response and is on mine. I can apply to add it to the application. Okay, so let me come back. So you can see that the Airbnb apps appear in my console. So each 5 seconds, I will see the testing of the of the Airbnb website on through the website. Like all service before has been done through the website. Okay, so I can also integrate an API. So it is through this menu that you can integrate an API that you want to monitor, API or web service. Okay, don't care about it. You can choose a protocol. It can be a GET request that you want to check, or it can a post request for the APIs that you want to monitor. Okay, so as can you see before, if we have an automatical refresh on the application, yeah, and each 5 minutes, and you can um, parameterize it, and you can decide to say that I want to just see one links on my view. So it can be, it will be possible. So you can see it. You will be only one graph on your view. You can say you can another option. You can perform a one-shot link testing on the specific links if you want to see that. If you want or more number links is available over the apps or not. You can perform a traceroute, very useful in order to troubleshooting some issue on the links. You can do some reports. So you have some reports that has been available through the application. So I can select the periods that where I want to see the behavior of the application. Yeah. Okay. So I can see the behavior of that application during that period, and I can perform a download to or extract it the data in order to put it in another field. And can see the dashboard which show me the KPI of the application during one specific period that I have to choose. Yeah. So for example, this service bro, this website has been available 90% dot or 06 by on this period. I can perform an export to PDF to for some presentation for instance. Okay. And the art of this application is the settings panel where you can uh, parameterize the application, the cron table, where you can parameterize the period where the testing has been done, where you can parameterize the window of the window showing of the main view, the main view window showing, because after by default you have the period where on which of the real-time test have been done is appear for 8 hours. So over this 8 hours, the data has been archived. Okay, and this one has been accessible through this report. Okay. And another things that I want to show you, it is the notification. The very smart things on this apps is the next notification part where we are all many person can be notified when you have some issue downtime, and you are also the SMS or the SMS or alerting that can be possible with this part. Okay, so you can activate it and deactivate it if needed. We are also the website for the reference website, because you can have application online, but you can have your website online, but the desktop or the environment where the application has been deployed have a cable, have a network or cable disabled or unplugged. So this reference website can permit you to check this kind of behavior. You can change the language of the application if needed. Okay, so it is just and you can also configure some additional users with some privileges, because by default I have a main view as I'm right now administrator, but you can configure another user which have a minimum access to the apps. Okay, so thank you everybody for this very this presentations, and I hope that it can help you in your work, and you can download this application through the website, which is here. Let me just research you, linksguard.net, and through the links download, so you can have access to the application. Yeah, for this button for download. Okay, hope that things can help you to improve your business, and see you for next.